and it's not easy, right? So congratulations and best wishes to you. And for everybody else who are learning here, somebody said I at this age, and there are so many obstacles, right? At home, they keep saying, right? But the stepping out of the house, you've faced the first, victory. You've managed to get out of the house and you've come to a class to learn something. I think that itself is the first victory, right? Then you come here and then, you learn, and then what you do with that is the second thing. Not just, I think what you pick up over here, but it's also, like you said, you're all working with one another, you understand different people's styles, you're networking with one another, you know what is happening in the world around you, you know what sells, what doesn't sell, what is in the market, what is not in the market, and you get the confidence more than anything, right? Whether you're in a position to take this, whatever you've learned, the skill that you've learned, can you take it to the next level? Can you start by helping, maybe somebody gets the orders and then, group of you can do the stitching, and then branch out so that you can open up something of your own. You know that this stitching and specifically, clothes in India, this business will never die, okay? So forever and ever, people are going to need, good clothes, good fitting clothes, and things that are in trend. So I think if you sort of look around the market and know how to market yourself as well, I think you will be able to do a good business out of this, okay? But I think the ones who do business, it's not just the business sense, your art has to be good as well. And for the people who are very good, you should also know how to market. So both are equally important in today's day and age. So don't just think you've finished 3 months class or something like that and forget about it. I think to see how you can take this class to the next level and do something with it, okay? So best wishes and congratulations.